This story is about a boy who's called Tom. His mother was dead, so he lived with his aunt. One day he met his friend Huckberry Finn, and they decided to go to the graveyard with a dead cat to call a ghost. They went to the graveyard and they saw some people. The doctor needs a body to study, and In Junju and Map wanted more money, but the doctor didn't give more money. So In Junju killed the doctor, and In Junju killed the doctor, but he used Mop's knives. Therefore, Mop went to the jail. It was Mop's trial. Tom went to the judge and told the truth. Tom and Huck found the treasure in the cave, but In Junju couldn't find a way to get out, so he died. Huck and Tom became with the richest people in St. Petersburg.